After arriving to basic camp 3 days prior, 1st Regiment cadets spent a day at Olive Theater to be trained on various facets of effective performance. Different instructors came in to speak on a plethora of topics, including motivation, composure, and concentration, to name a few.
The main thing that stuck out to me so far would be the tips on motivation and finding an intrinsic motivator and extrinsic factors that also can motivate you.
While it was a long day of sitting down, the speakers tried hard to make the learning interactive to keep the cadets' focus up.
So I think that it's really cool to be able to have the opportunity to talk to potentially future leaders. As far as how they were responding, I think the response was really great. A lot of the skills that we're teaching they're common sense, but not necessarily common practice. So they may be already doing something that's kind of like those skills, but we're just putting a name to them, and so that can help them increase performance.
It might not be as physically enthralling as the Confidence Course or Seaburn Chamber, but the cadets found value in the new insights being thrown their way.
Being a soldier, you will be challenged mentally and physically. More mentally, because if you can handle the mental aspect of being trained and have mental toughness, physical toughness to come right along.
It reminds you that the Army is more than just physical challenges. There's also going to be times where you're going to be in meetings and times where you're going to be thinking like, hey, I already know this, why do I have to be in here with the rest of these people? But you also have to understand that you're a team.
Reporting from CST Public Affairs Office, this is Matthew Barnes.